In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert image in PDF XChange Editor. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Home tab up top over here, and then here in the middle under Objects, it says Add. You want to click on that, and you want to click on Add Image. Now, over here, as you can see, it's going to say that to add an image, you'll have to draw the rectangle. So just basically click on it here, and then basically just draw out the rectangle via using your left mouse button. So left click, and then drag out wherever you want it. Now, of course, it may not look like this if the image isn't in that format, but you'll see what I mean. So here, just release it, and there we go. It's going to allow you to basically put in the image. So I have a few images here. I'm going to click on this one, and I'm going to click on open. Now, there we go. It's going to give me two options. Either I can put it in as a stamp or as a content item. That's completely up to you. I'm just going to do content item over here, and I'm going to click on place. Now, whenever you do this here, as you can see, your image is going to get placed, and if you actually want to move it, the hand tool will not do it. You'll have to go up here where it says Edit Objects, and then here you want to do Images, and this is going to allow you to basically drag it and move it around, and of course resize it according to your own preference. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.